Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Maritac Peanut LED Rev 2 flashlight in brass. I've always loved small mini things, and this is no exception. This flashlight is so tiny, but it packs a huge punch for its size. It has a rechargeable battery and also comes in copper. Big shout out to CountyCom for sending me this flashlight to check out. I'll put links in the description to their website and the product page if you're interested. I didn't film an unboxing video because I was just too excited to open it up and start using it, but I kind of regret that decision now because I don't have any video footage of me opening the box. Anyways, inside the box you get the flashlight itself, a lithium rechargeable battery that is removable, which is super cool, a micro USB charging cable, and 5 spare O-rings. It all comes in this cute little box, which is very neat. It weighs just 7.1 grams or about half an ounce, and the dimensions are 1.43 inches long and 0.52 inches in diameter. The LED is the Cree XPL 5000K with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. That is 5.7 years, 24 hours straight, which is crazy. The flashlight has two modes, a low mode and a high mode. The low mode is 8 lumens, which is about the same brightness as any phone flashlight, and the battery will last for up to 8 hours in this mode. The high mode is 145 lumens, which is super bright, and it'll last for up to 30 minutes. That's a steep drop in battery life, but that is understandable considering the output is much higher. The low mode will suffice in most situations, and I only use the high setting if I need to light up a larger area. Oh yeah, to turn on the flashlight, all you have to do is just give it a half twist and it'll be in low mode. Another half twist will get you into high mode. To turn it off, just twist the other way until it turns off. You don't have to worry about the head accidentally coming off because it's on there very securely. I've been daily carrying this flashlight with me for about a month now, and it's been great. I go to work at 4 AM, so having a flashlight with me while I walk to my car is a must. I've actually used it a couple of times under the rain, and the O-rings in the flashlight help keep the internals dry. Unfortunately, a couple of O-rings have already broke with normal use, but I believe you can just get replacements at a hardware store. The flashlight has a more worn out look now that I've carried it for a bit, which I love, and it'll only continue to get better. It has a knurled finish, I guess you could say, which gives it more grip to make it easier to use since it's so tiny. My favorite features about this flashlight is that it has a removable battery and it's rechargeable. I absolutely love the idea of just plugging in my flashlight to charge it instead of having to change the battery once it dies. All you have to do is unscrew the head to reveal the micro USB port and just plug it in. There is also an indicator light that will glow red if it's charging and green if it's fully charged. It takes about 30 to 55 minutes to fully charge, which is not bad at all. Also, if there is any problem with the battery, you can just replace it instead of replacing the whole flashlight, or vice versa. Overall, the Brass Peanut LED Rev 2 flashlight is the perfect EDC carry flashlight for me. It's smaller than my pinky finger, so it's portable, but it's very bright and it'll be more than enough whenever I need to light up the dark. The replaceable battery and having the ability to recharge it is just super convenient. It is a very high quality flashlight, and it is definitely worth the price in my opinion. I'm currently keeping it on my keychain and it's going to stay there. If you're looking for one of the best, if not the best flashlight for this size, I highly recommend the Maritac Peanut LED Flashlight Rev 2. As always, I'll put some links in the description. That was my review of the Brass Peanut LED Rev 2 flashlight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.